check out a unique specialty in classics. It's a 2001 Ford Cobra Mustang convertible. Just a little over 64,000 original miles on this. Zinc yellow. Of course, the power plant underneath the hood. That 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the Cobra front fascia. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate on that, by the way. And you can do that by calling 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Just click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Riding on the correct SVT polished wheels. So we take a look down the passenger side of this car. And you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, hey, it's a little over 20 years old. It may have an imperfection here or there. And I'll try to point them out if I notice any of them as we go along. But overall, nice looking car. Interior, dark ebony leather with the gray suede inserts. And we'll get it around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. We're going to put the top up at the end of the video so you can see the condition of that. It's black vinyl. It's also in nice shape. Something else to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. As we look at the rear of the car, of course, dual exhaust. Now for the driver's side. Let's take a peek down the driver's side. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Nothing real major. There was a couple spots, if I remember right. Well, maybe one. Right there, right there. I guess there's two little ones. I don't even know if those will show up hardly, but a couple small ones there. All right, let's check out the exterior a little more. Interior a little more. Of course, the style bar or light bar has been added. Nice look on these. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Door panels looking in good shape. You'll be able to see the door tag and the still pictures as long as the VIN, in case there's any decoding or anything you want to see there. Take a look at the seats. Again, the ebony leather. Wearing well with the suede inserts. Of course, tilt and cruise. AM, FM, CD with the mock stereo system. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I got to grab the keys. They're on the shelf over here. So let me grab the keys. We'll fire this up. We'll also check out the exact miles here. There's your exact miles, 64,799. That's just the parking brake, the one. Other one's a seat belt. So no warning indicators, anything like that on. Check engine lights. Here's the gauges are working. Stereo. Stereo works as it should. Did you hear that? Good sounding car too. So I'll turn some heads. The way it looks and the way it sounds. Listen to that. Little rumble coming out of that Cobra. All right, let me pause this 1 second. We're going to check out this engine bay, then we'll run the power top up so you can check that out too. Underside of the hood, pretty clean. Doesn't look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather. Here's that engine bay. In that dual overhead cam V8. Hand built, of course. Names on the plaque right there. Kind of a chromed out cold air intake, it looks like. So I've got caster camber plates up top. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now for the convertible top. That is powered and that does function as it should. We're going to raise that up, so you check that out, and then we'll wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. Again, power top, black vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Good shape rear defrost. And nice clear rear window. Come around to the passenger side. Looking good too. It doesn't look like this top has been up a whole lot, which doesn't surprise me. Got a convertible. We run it with the top down a lot. You can see side glass. Nice fit. 2001 Ford Cobra Mustang. Nice looking convertible. A little over 64,000 miles on it. A big dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. Style bar, light bar in it with that top down. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile extended protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, and you can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2001 Ford Mustang. Bright yellow on the outside, black on the inside. Really cool looking car. This is a 5-speed manual. Let's see how she does on the highway. Good acceleration. Stays nice and straight in the lane if you let go of the wheel. Smooth ride. Not getting any kind of shakes or shimmies. Great sound in stereo. Our blower motor does work. Cruise also does work well. The odometer says 64,801 miles on the dash. This is a convertible. Didn't hear much for wind noise, which is always nice. Feels like a really good running Mustang. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.